Hello and welcome back to PR Masterclass. I'm Dr. Ashima Singh. Today we will talk about healthcare sector in India and how public relation is for a dire need in healthcare sector in India. This idea has come up after I've come back from a laparoscopic surgery recently in one of the most bigger brands of healthcare in India, and from there the idea of this video came up, and here we are today. Public relations is a strategic communication process that builds and maintains mutual beneficial relationships that we all know. It is always between an organization and its target audiences. That means the people whom you're doing your work for. In the context of the healthcare sector, public relation plays a crucial role in shaping the public perception of health services, influencing behavior, managing crisis, and fostering trust between healthcare providers. So when you are in a hospital, or when you are a patient, or when are a patient's family, you actually understand that what is the need of public relations in this healthcare sector, especially in India. I have been one in the recent times, so I understand the dire need of it. It is evolving. It is, of course, accessible also in India, but still, healthcare sector is most important than any other sectors. I would be talking about the significance of public relations in healthcare in India, addressing its various roles and the challenges it faces. The healthcare landscape in India has been quite big, and the sector is vast, which is almost covering wide spectrums of services, from traditional way of medicines to homeopathy to modern allopathic ways and to other modern healthcare systems. It includes the whole setup includes public and private healthcare providers, and its challenges are manifolds. You need to understand that PR is a skill which you acquire. So in the healthcare sector, you can actually see the real execution of it. So there have been disparities in healthcare access, particularly between urban and rural areas. The increasing burden of diseases, including non-communicable diseases, that is generally called NCDs, and underfunded public healthcare sector. Non-communicable diseases, a very underfunded healthcare system, and a growing public healthcare market is there in India. In this landscape, public relation assumes a pivotal role. It's essential in communicating the intricacies of healthcare services, managing public expectations, promoting healthy behavior, and ensuring that healthcare providers maintain a positive reputation, especially in an environment where mistrust and miscommunication can always be easily spread. So it's actually your nice smile, it's actually the way you're talks about the overall paradigm shift in the area of public healthcare sector. The role of public relations in healthcare is about building up trust and credibility. Trust is a fundamental pillar of healthcare. We all know this. Patients are more likely to seek care from healthcare providers whom they trust. Like I trusted a brand. I went to a brand for my recent laparoscopic surgery, but I have problems, and I have written points for their communication, which was a failure actually. So there are times when you build up a brand, people trust your brand. The brand is also transparent, it might be truthful, but the overall execution of communication is not right. So that's where there is uniformity which is needed. So establishing credibility is crucial. PR professionals can help by disseminating accurate information about medical treatments, about hospital practices, and patient's outcome. You also need to understand that there is a patient and there is a family behind the patient who also needs your care. Okay, so that is where the I would say the healthcare sector has a question mark till now. So, and of course there are complex procedures, so people do not understand it. You need to make them understand them in a better form, in a very layman language, and also cuddle them with care, because their family and their loved one is there in the hospital in your own hands, in their hands. So that's how healthcare sector needs more emotion driven people with a lot of smile and care. Public relations is instrumental in health education and the promotion of healthy behaviors. Through targeted campaigns, PR can spread awareness, but preventive measures of various diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and health diseases, and of course heart diseases, which is becoming very prevalent in the Indian subcontinent. So, public health campaigns such as those encouraging vaccinations, promoting sanitations, or informing people about the risks of tobacco use are essentials for providing public health in India. PR tools, including media outreach, social media engagement, and public service announcements are vital for reaching the larger audiences across the country. These are some campaigns, there are some campaigns which are tailored to address the culture and regional variations in India. We need to understand this also, especially when we are into a setup of a capital city, and there are people who are coming from different regional and cultural backgrounds to the city for their healthcare services. We need to understand the diversity of the country and also ensure that they are resonating with the diverse communities. That means your own people of the healthcare sector are resonating with the diverse communities. This is something very crucial to understand about the healthcare sector. Crisis communication and reputation management, I've been always talking about it. So in the healthcare sector, crisis are inevitable, whether it's a medical malpractice case, a public health scare, or a hospital related scandal, or maybe an issue. How healthcare providers communicate during a crisis, which can make or break its reputation. In India, where the healthcare sector is under intense scrutiny, effective crisis communication is critical and it is crucial. PR professionals are trained to handle sensitive situations, craft well thought out messages, and ensure consistent communication with all stakeholders, including the media, patients, employees, and general public. This can help mitigate the damage which has been done by a brand, maybe by not managing the crisis well. So, in a nutshell, in this part one of understanding the need of PR in healthcare sector, I would always say that dear healthcare workers and dear professionals, PR professionals who are ensuring more healthcare services in this sector, just talk with a smile and lot of compassion with the patient and with the family of the patient. So that's where even the longer term business lies, and that's where the brand building lies. So I will close my today's video here. We will talk more about healthcare sector in India, the need of it, in my further videos. Thank you for watching PR Masterclass, and do subscribe and also send DM if you wish that I talk about more PR practices in different sectors in the country, or maybe on the platform of PR and CSR. Thank you for watching.
This video channel is a part of the Arvind Foundation initiative. All income generated from this YouTube channel is dedicated to supporting the education of underprivileged children. By liking, sharing, and supporting this content, you have the power to change the lives of many children. Your contribution can make a significant difference. Thank you for your support.